So I have just got the new FALCON EVO Mobile Deluxe 5G system for my motorhome, so I can improve the Wi-Fi in my van for streaming on my TV and browsing on my laptop and phone. In the box is a smart looking carry case where everything packs into, keeping it all tidy and safe. Inside the case is the FALCON EVO mobile antenna with 4 meters of cable and a couple of mounting options, suction or magnetic. There is the FALCON 5G router that comes with a charging cable with a 12 volt and a mains adapter. Also, there is a SIM adapter and a pin for changing over the SIM in the router. And there's a magnet, so I can conveniently mount the router near a charging point. As you can see, you can add the antenna mounting options to either the back of the antenna or the base, whether you want to put it on a vertical or a horizontal surface. I'm going to be putting the antenna on the window of my motorhome, so I'll be putting the suction mounting on the back of my antenna. Taking the antenna outside, the suction mount just pushes onto the window and I can feed the cables through the window. The cable is very thin and durable, so I can easily close the window, keeping the heat in. The 4 meters of cable allows me to put the antenna anywhere on my van without being restricted by the location of the router. It also comes with a Velcro strap so I can tie up the length when it's not needed. Then I prepare the router by taking out the SIM tray using the pin and inserting the SIM card. The router is completely unlocked, so you can use a SIM card from any provider, whether it's pay-as-you-go or a contract. Plugging the antenna into the router using the push-fit connections, all I have to do now is power up the router and connect my devices. Searching for the router on my phone and connecting using the unique password. You can set your own username and password as well for extra security. Now let's see how it's performing by doing a speed test. I'm getting 230 megabits per second download and 30 megabits per second upload. That's 50 times better than what I was getting on the campsite Wi-Fi. The FALCON 5G router has an 8-hour battery life, allowing it to be used portably. It charges using USB Type-C charging point in the base of the router and charges off 12 or 240 volts. The FALCON 5G router not only works on 5G signals, but will also work on 4G and 3G when 5G is not available. Now I can connect my TV, laptop and any other devices, and I can enjoy a strong, reliable internet connection. The FALCON EVO Mobile Deluxe system is available to purchase now from the FALCON website or from Amazon. Just click the link in the description below. Life Made Easy by FALCON.